Well, I think a lot of clients historically had looked at certainly technology and how they can future-proof themselves, mainly around asset classes that they're looking to trade and future growth. What we're starting to see now is a lot more people looking at future-proofing themselves for regulatory and compliance requirements, and that's really top of everyone's list. We've seen a lot of people moving into more of a UCITS framework, which obviously plays to a compliance conversation. A lot of clients taking on managed accounts, which again has its issues around allocations and how they manage compliance around that. So that obviously drives part of the conversation. But also, point and centre today is MiFID II, and there's a lot of people looking at us and particularly how we can help with them and service the technology requirements for MiFID II around transaction reporting on best execution, but also looking at how they manage their commissions as well. And technology is going to play a massive part in that. And at Eze Software, we're very aware of that and are working with our clients and our new clients on how we can best fit their needs. We look at maybe 2015, some of the work we did last year, where we deliver a best-in-breed solution from front to back. We have an EMS, we have an OMS, and we have a PMS. We've integrated the EMS into the compliance engine of the OMS, which allows traders the ability to execute in a timely manner on the marketplace. But it also gives the compliance officers and the operations people the reassurance that compliance is still playing a massive part in the workflow. Typically, an OMS tended to be where you would generate an order and run the pre-trade compliance. So being able to give traders the ability to traders and portfolio managers for that degree, the ability to trade straight out of an EMS with that compliance workflow is a very strong offering, and we believe quite a unique offering. On the MiFID II piece, everyone's looking at transaction reporting and how that's going to affect their day-to-day. We've been doing transaction reporting for a number of years now. We've worked very closely with clients in EMEA reporting, but also being able to communicate transactional data out to custodians, fund administrators, prime brokers for a number of years. So we're working with our clients and looking at how we can enhance the transaction reporting that we do. For MiFID II, we've had some experience, as I say, in EMEA. We've also done the Annex 4 and Form PF, CPO PQR. So that's going to be another part where I think we're going to add a lot of value. Commission management is on everyone's minds. We have a suite of products which can assist with commission management and the broker voting piece, the unbundling area, as well as looking at things like CSA and tracking those CSA relationships as well. So, from a front to back perspective, I think we're quite well placed to meet them, and support's playing a big part of that. At Eze, we work very closely with our clients in terms of our implementation and then our ongoing support. It's a very high touch way of supporting people. But linked to that, there's a lot of back and forth in terms of what the clients are talking to us about, and we also do a lot of round tables. We did one recently in London where clients came into the office and were communicating to us what their concerns were, specifically around some of these regulatory issues that we've just spoken about. Coming year, well, I mean, we're going to continue to work on the integration piece. I think we've come a long way, but there's always work to be done. So I think that's going to be part of our focus for 2016, 2017. We recently acquired TKS Solutions in the US, which will give us an enhanced shareholder accounting piece as we move downstream. So we're looking to integrate that more tightly with our PMS offering. And I think as we continue to evolve into 2017, some of the cloud technologies that we're working on in the background to enhance our overall offering to the buy side is really going to be where the story comes from Eze Software into 2017.